Pico, take me to Springer Mountain Campground.
All right, driving to Springer Mountain Campground.
Anti-glare quality stays crystal clear in any light, any angle, with a built-in light sensor. Auto brightness adapts instantly.
Play my road trip playlist.
P10 Pro features twin-site dual recording, capturing both the road ahead and the cabin view, fully synchronized. If a collision is detected, it automatically records and locks a 30-second video clip. Then tags it as a protected event, so it won't be overwritten. If a severe accident is detected, automatically uploads vehicle location and photos to the cloud, then alerts your emergency contact via SMS. For roadside checks or uncertain moments, tap AutoMap. Your full footage is securely saved to the cloud and synced to your SS Hub app, putting evidence in your hands.
Check my car's status.
With
Here's a
OBD,
summary
you can
of your
keep track of your vehicle's health status. When fuel runs low, live OBD alerts notify you nearby gas station info on request.
Trouble codes P0457. Tighten fuel cap.
Wireless camera gets rear or front view, without any wires or drilling. Low power operation with up to 72-hour monitoring. Parked car bumped by another vehicle. P10 Pro activates instantly, records the scene, uploads the video to the cloud, and notifies you. Also, view your car's surroundings live, remotely. After shopping, your car's photo and location are saved in SS Hub. No more worrying about where you parked. Find it fast. It wakes up in just 2 seconds and restores your last screen.
Turn on LED message sign. Turn on road condition monitoring.
Road condition monitoring is now on.
Detects unusual weather and road conditions, giving real-time voice alerts.
Turn on the ambient lights.
Built-in twin-site system records your entire drive. Tap to replay key clips instantly. Relive your journeys with Frame's dynamic digital albums. P10 Pro, upgrade any car. Mount once, snap on in 60 seconds. Drive smarter. Stay protected. P10 Pro, upgrade any car. Drive smarter. Stay protected.